students, welcome back. Sorry, again with the same topic, acids, bases and salts. So we were talking about the indicators. Okay, so let's continue with that part only. So now we'll talk about the different indicators, that is your universal one. So in terms of strength of an acid or a base, with the help of indicators only we can check whether the particular solution is acidic or basic, but we never come to know whether the particular acid is a strong acid or a weak acid, strong base or a weak base. Only litmus solution or any indicator will tell only whether it is acidic or basic, simple acid or a base, distinguish it. Fine, but with the help of the universal indicator we can identify whether the particular acid is a strong acid or a weak acid. Okay, so let's broaden this concept. Strength of an acid or a base in terms of strong acid or a weak acid. How will determine that strength of H plus ion is more or OH minus ion is more? So strength of an acid or a base will talk in terms of H plus or OH minus ion concentration. This is in terms of pH concept. pH concept. Okay, so let's see what is pH. Okay, now we will measure, or you can say we can with the help of H plus or OH minus ion concentration we will come to know whether the particular acid is a strong one or the weaker. So pH is scale is introduced by the scientist S.P.L. Sorensen. Okay, and what's the meaning? It is derived from the Latin word potens. Potens means power. Okay, power of what? Power of H plus ion. That's why it's written as pH. So power of, this is power of H plus ion. H plus ion. Okay, so more the H plus ion, more will be the acidic nature. Lesser the H plus ion, lesser will be the acidic nature. It means in terms of H plus ion we'll come to know that whether it's a strong acid or a weak acid. So he has introduced the scale. Okay, like we are having scale having 1 to 15 centimeters, we are having small one. So it is also having the scale, that if the pH is 1, then what is the nature of the substance? pH is 2, 3, 4 and so on. So he has introduced and given the scale, that range is of that scale is 0 to 14. Okay, where this is the least one and this is the highest. This is the least and this is the highest one. So let's see the scale. Okay, so here let's say this is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14. So this is the range. Fine. Then let's see if the concentration of H plus ion is less than 7. Okay, if it is less than 7 here, all these are acidic substance. And here, if it is more than 7, less than 7, acidic. Okay, more than 7, basic. So all these are basic. And pH is equal to 7 is the neutral substance. It means neither acidic nor basic, neutral. Neither acidic nor basic. So this is the meaning. Okay, power of H plus. It means here H plus and OH minus ion both are equal. That's why they are neither acidic nor basic. It means H plus is equal to OH minus ion in the solution. In solution, they both are equal. Okay, that's why pH is 7, which is neutral. Okay, like water is neutral. Which water? Distilled water. Distilled water is neutral, having pH equal to 7. This we will do in practical also. Okay, so acidic means pH is less than 7, acidic. pH is greater than 7, basic. So all these show acidic nature, all these show basic nature. Okay. So with the help of pH scale, pH concept, we'll come to know about the strength of the acid. More the H plus ion, more will be the acidic nature, or stronger the acid. Fine. So let's understand this scale in detail. Okay. And this pH is pH. How we will measure pH of different solutions? With the help of pH strips. See, universal indicator. We are talking about the universal indicator, which is available in both. Means it is available in the form of solution as well as in the form of strips also. In the strips it is pH, and in the solution form it is in the form of solution. So with the help of that we can determine the acidic or basic nature of the substance. Universal indicator. Universal indicator. As the name says that universal, it's a mixture. It is a mixture of all indicators. So many, like phenolphthalein, methyl orange, thymol blue, sodium acetate, sodium salt, and so many things are there. So it's a mixture of all the indicators, all the substances. Fine. So with the universal indicator is you can say, when we'll see the table, it shows different colors. Okay, different colors with a different solution. Whether it's a strong acid, then it will show different color. If it's a weak acid, it will show different color. Like with HCl, show different color. With acetic acid, it will show different color. Similarly, with different bases also, either strong or weak, it will show different colors. So accordingly, we will match the color, and then we'll come to know, yes, this is a basic. So more basic or less basic. Fine. So universal indicator. So pH is one of the universal indicator that we are using. So let's understand the pH concept. So if I am saying that pH is greater than 7, it's basic. pH is less than 7, it's acidic. And pH is equal to 7 means neutral. Fine. And one more thing. More the pH means less number of H plus ion. It means more number of OH minus ion. Okay, so more the pH, substance will be basic in nature. Lesser the pH means more number of H plus ion and less number of OH minus ions. So the substance will be acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Okay, so let's consider two different scales. So this only you need to understand. You can just note it down as a note point, or these are very, very important points. With the help of this, you can easily identify whether the particular substance is weaker acid or a stronger one, or a weaker base or the stronger one, with the help of the pH value. Okay, so let's compare. With the help of this only you will come to know whether it's a basic, acidic or neutral. If it is less than 7, greater than or equal to. Fine. So let's compare in terms of H plus ion. More the number of H plus ion or lesser the number of H plus ion. Okay, let's compare. See, I am having two different solutions. Fine. I am having, let's consider three different solutions. Okay, or two different solutions. Let's say this is A and this is B. Fine. A is having pH equal to 2 and B is having pH equal to 4. Now see, both are less than 7. Okay, it means both are acidic solution. But thing is that which one is more acidic out of two? Both are acid. Fine, because both are having pH less than 7. So pH is less than 7 in both the solution. Fine, it means acidic. Now both are acidic. So my question is now that which one is more acidic? So just find it out. But we said more the pH, lesser number of the H plus ion. Yes, so it means this is having less acidic in nature. So lesser the pH, more acidic nature. It's inversely proportional. Okay, so A is more acidic and this is less acidic. Fine, so A is more acidic than B. Okay, similarly we can compare basic also, basic solutions, that which one is more basic. So let's consider that also. Okay, so let's see. Let's consider let's take three different solutions now. This is C. Okay, so here pH, let's say it is 8, here it is 10, and here it is equal to 14. Okay, so all are basic, greater than 7. pH is greater than 7, it means all are basic. Now which one is more basic? More the pH, more will be the basic nature. With this it is directly proportional, with acid it is inversely proportional. More the pH, lesser will be the acidic nature, more the pH, more will be the basic nature. So this one is more basic. pH is 14, highest, last scale. More basic or most basic you can write. Most basic, this is least basic here, and this is moderate one. Okay, so what is the order? If I say arrange the order of the bases of all these solutions, so what you will do? So which one will come first? If I will arrange in the increasing order, so C is more stable or more basic, then B will come, and then A will come. Okay, so this is the order, increasing order I have written. Okay, increasing order of the pH. Order of pH of the given solution. So these kind of questions will be asked in the exam. The pH is given, you need to identify the nature, whether strong, weak, and so on. Okay, so this is about the scale. Okay, so let's see one more thing about the scale. Okay, I will discuss its application. So this is your scale. This is 0, here 7, and here 14. Okay, so this side more H plus ion, and this side more OH minus ions, less OH minus ions, here less H plus ions. Fine. So this is about the pH. Okay. So I hope I am clear till here. So we'll discuss its application in the next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.